Guess back. Back again. Zeus texts back. Tell a friend. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to be covering about what Python is because I realized that not many people on my channel actually do know what it is. But before we begin, if you like the content that I've been posting, please leave it with a like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. And also, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I actually got a new mic to make my audio a bit better because before it wasn't the best. So I hope that this makes watching my videos a lot easier and a lot soothing. So the so before we begin to learn what Python is, let's look at the actual definition. So the actual definition of Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant whitespace. Its language constructs an object-oriented approach aimed to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. So that was a lot of words that you probably didn't understand. So I'll just dumb it down for everyone who isn't a Python mastermind, which is not many people to be honest. So Python is a very powerful language that is usually used by data scientists, people who want to make web applications, and people who want to calculate big numbers, just to name a few of the different occupations that people use Python for. So what Python is that it's a simpler coding language that can do much more than usual languages that are around nowadays. For like example, C++ or JavaScript. If you guys have ever coded in that, or even something like Java or C language, it's very like complicated and all. Like maybe if you're doing it for a long time, it isn't as much. But for someone who's just starting, it's hard to get a grasp of it. So that's why Python has a big advantage there. And Python is used everywhere and is a very useful language. So if you're starting coding and you want to learn a new language, I would highly recommend Python because it's simple to grasp, yet you're able to do so much with it. Like as I said before, using Django, you can make web applications. And it's insane how well you can do stuff with, and I really recommend it. And you can do stuff from printing hello world to making what's it called? Yeah, neural network AI, which is very cool, and I would recommend to anyone who's starting their career in coding. So my videos try to help you guys learn how to make Python programs and how to understand the certain concepts that are in Python. And trust me when I say that my videos will go more advanced as they continue on, as I plan on going from easy and all to harder and harder until I'm teaching myself like how to make simple AIs and stuff. So that's my goal, and I hope that if you guys subscribe, hopefully you'll be able to see that as well. So I would recommend looking at my past tutorials to learn a bit of the basics about Python and how to download PyCharm and Python to start your career in Python, because my past videos showed how to download everything and how to start using PyCharm. And my upcoming videos will help you understand how to do different stuff with Python, how to use it well, and how just be able to do stuff with it, which not many people can say they can. But the one thing is that if something was easy, everyone would do it. That's some advice that I take to heart, and that's the reason that I am not the oldest, which doesn't matter. Age is not a factor, but still, I'm not the oldest. Yeah, I'm doing so much right now, but I'm not trying to brag though, just to let you know. So yeah, and to recap what I just said in a simpler term, don't be scared to learn Python just because it looks confusing. Everything's confusing before you make it easy, which is why I really recommend Python. So I don't want to continue rambling on. You've got the information that you need, and I don't really want to waste any. Really don't want to waste your time here. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below how it was, and turn on the post notifications to know whenever I post a new video. And with that said, thank you for watching my video and hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.